Kia ora, we're here today because we're supporting Waiariki Whānau Mentoring. This is one of the first event they've had over Melville way, and they have they do really important mahi with our naitoko matua whānau or whānau on the fringes.
We're here to support here in Melville with our Black Power whānau who don't necessarily get the supports that they rightfully deserve. So Waiariki Whānau come into this particular space because we're trusted by that community, by those that wear a patch, to bring equity to the whānau.
Whānau voice is the way they lead it, so ko te whānau te riko. We don't know what's happening on the ground unless the whānau tell us. We don't know how they need support and what support that they need. So whānau is really important because they set our foundation for us.